I know you see them curls in that volume. That's why you clicked this video. Let's get into it. This is bedhead. I actually never tried this wand curl before, so I'm really curious. This is the heat protector that I did use on my hair prior to blow drying it. It is like a couple of hair clips. My comb. Make sure we have our detangling brush. I'm using the Tresemme Extra Hold hairspray, okay? Before I get to putting the wand curls in my hair, I am detangling my hair, so I'm so happy that I actually put these into sections because, baby, if I didn't, it would be a longer process. So I just made it more easier for me by, after I blow dried my hair, I just braided it up, and then the next day I'm just taking it down and just brushing it out. And this is just my tester. I'm just gonna see how big of a section or a part that I want. Go ahead and detangle. Make sure there's no tangle. This is a very tedious process. I'm not gonna go all the way to my roots. That's how I would burn myself. So I kind of want to start maybe right here. Gosh, don't burn yourself. I'm gonna just wrap it around again. Hold it for a few seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think 10 seconds is fine. Then let go. So this is the first curl. As you see, it's I want to say it's tight. It's tight because I feel like I could probably get it even more tighter. I got this much. I'm about to just split this in half. Just keep doing the same thing. The more you get into it, the better it will get. It's just the first beginning is a little bit tricky. You see, after I counted and then I just let go, I didn't really like the curl, to be honest with y'all. That's why I didn't really say too much on it. So I was like, let me keep on trying. So I find that when I wrap it around and then I just keep the wand curl in place and just slide my hair out, it definitely created the curl that I was looking for. It's all trial and error. Even I still learn to this day. The only way that I actually learned how a style works is by me trying. You know, there's, like I said, trial and error, and now I am so ecstatic because now we got it down pat, baby. So after I've completed my first section in the back, I just applied some Tresemme holding spray, and now we're on to the next section. I realized when you work in sessions, I mean, it keeps everything organized and into place, and you get to get through the process more quicker. So I'm just going to keep on showing you guys how I do my wand curls, and it's self-explanatory. As you see, I'm just going to keep repeating the same step. Now, I will say, when you wrap your hair around, keep your hands in the same motion. As you see, I did not move my hand whatsoever. All I'm doing is just wrapping it around. And when I slide it off of there, I do typically hold my hair before I just let it go. So that way it can just cool down and just, you know, create the curl that I'm actually looking for. And it just stays into place. Hours later, this is the look of it. So I did end up separating my curls, but baby, the bounce is amazing. Look at the shine too, y'all. So you already know I had a glam up, y'all. I don't really wear eyeshadow, but baby, I was like, come on with it. So I'm trying to give Christmas vibes. I am using sacred oil to help separate my curls. I separated just enough so that way I can still have definition but also volume as well. I didn't really want my hair to be frizzy because this is day one, and I know as the days go by it will get more poofier and as the time go by. But this is the final look. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. I love my hair and I hope you do too. If you want the deets on that wand curl, check out my description box because in there it's going to be my Amazon store link, and that's where you can actually find the wand curl that I use and probably all the other products. Let me go ahead and see what I can do for y'all. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you. Love you. Bye.